Or fucking thing.
Oh shit, that's people.
No! Did I do the funny?
Get on the damn cart!
Oh Jesus, the card is so far back. In God's name, are you doing?
Get that guy! Okay, guess I'll just push the car.
Go for it.
Pushing the car.
Pushing the car.
Pushing the car. Oh shit, that's a bad sword.
My team should have this, right?
Right, Chad?
Right. Otherwise, I'm
I
gonna
think
say that
my-
both Bird and Charlie are bad at the game, but it's fine since we're winning.
Winning.
GG. Victory.
Victory Royale.
Number one victory, bro. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. For now, we're about to get down. Get down, we will kill right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town.
Yellow.
Na 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 na.
Let me pull up my soundboard now that I think
Hello.
about it.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
Are y'all on opens right now?
Yeah, we're just in opens. 1191.
Alright. I'm gonna get to join in and hope that I don't take 3 years to join.
Uh-huh.
God, I love cinnamon bun.
No, I didn't mean to join the private server. Fuck, no. Why? I hate leaving a private server link open in my web browser, so when I open it, it just immediately joins the private server.
I've just made it so if I boot up a game, well, if Roblox wants to boot up, it has to have asked me first, so I like get the prompt first.
Oh, hi, bird guy.
Yeah, Bird gets you too.
Oh my god. No way.
Wait, are you serious?
I was planning on switching off sword, but I guess I will be playing my main.
Dude,
I will play my main
this
too.
happens right as I join and I'm not able to get it in.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Aw, someone took my main. That's so lame.
What's the code again?
It's 1191.
Alright. I'm away. I'm gonna try and get in.
We got fucking annihilates S-Boff, you're kidding me. Okay, good.
Anyway, what was I saying? Alright, I've officially hit 100 hours on fighting in the past 30 days.
I probably have that as well.
That's like almost the majority of my playtime on the game in the past month.
I've literally only been playing fighting this past month.
Oh, you only started playing?
Yeah, this month.
Nice.
Literally the start of this month, I've just been playing fighting. Nothing else.
Oh wait, what was the code? 1191.
1191.
Alright, in queue. Let's hope I get it. Well, now.
Damn it.
Can that hide plays or not?
Thank God my headphones are not cruising.
Molly, you don't play with music? I just
Nope.
realized.
Nope.
No, because she's a psychopath.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, God, I can barely. This feels so weird. Not having the music.
Get grappled. That's like
Sniper duel.
Yeah, that's good. Right now. They want the sniper duel with the fucking sniper duel. They started it, I'm ending it. Oh, fuck
Oh,
you.
that was nasty.
What is Coil doing?
Good question.
Coil is an actual AI dog.
The backwards flank ult. Nice. Oh my.
Get over here, Molly.
No.
I hate Katana so much. I don't understand why Katana's range is so long. Probably more.
Because of air stall, so you can end.
You might have won the battle, but I have won the war.
Well, actually, you seem to be losing the war right now.
No, the war is between me and Hyper. I'm currently 1-0.
Not true.
Bird Cat just fell off. Hello.
Hit him with it.
No, you're
No.
kidding. I actually suck.
You're actually so bad at that. Bro. Did you fall off?
I did fall off.
Yeah, quite literally.
Fall off.
That was like the. Oh my god, that only
It was like your status for so long.
What was my status for so long?
I fell
Oh.
off with only 500 views after 18 hours.
I feel like someone's probably gonna leave at the end of this, so I'm just gonna.
Oh my lord!
My fuck.
Hyper laser taste being a fucking ellipsis sums up my reaction perfectly to losing a 66
No,
match.
but like, you know what my thing is? I cannot hit easy shots, but I can hit the hard shots super easily.
I felt like team betrayed me.
Also, we need someone to lead Bird Guy into settings, so right here, Bird Guy.
What did Bird Guy blind himself again?
Yes.
Oh my
You're
god.
going into the wall, Bird Guy, right here. Right. Okay, you're going forward now. Right here. Here's
Bird is actually stream sniping me.
He's using your stream as his mission.
Real.
Holy shit, he can see
Dude,
now.
me-
Ow, my eyes.